Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com. And your chart of the day. Want to take another look here at Bullish. This is ticker BLSH. Now, last week I was talking about watching Bullish for a move higher. And last week I noted that the stock had been holding up above its 8-day, 21-day, and 50-day moving average. Now, since we last talked about Bullish, the stock is up about 9%. And although it didn't go up in a straight line, if you took this trade, what should have kept you in is the 8-day exponential period moving average. You can see how the stock has held above and closed above the 8-day exponential period moving average ever since we had this big bullish engulfing candlestick in early March. And so now the stock is up about 9% from the day that we mentioned it. And if you're in this trade, I would just continue to use that 8-day exponential period moving average to try and keep you in. Now, there's nothing wrong with selling some into strength, especially with the FOMC meeting tomorrow. But I think you want to try and stick with it because in a market where everything is choppy, it's hard to find stocks that are holding up and above all their key moving averages like Bullish. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. I'll see you next time.